The Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Campus 2, Class 7, Subject Social Studies. Chapter number 8, Environment, book page number 40 to 43. Dear student, what do you know what is meant by environment? Listen me carefully. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surrounding. Our surrounding includes biotic factors like human beings, plants, animals, microbes, and abiotic factors such as light, air, water, soil. And you can define it as all the living and non-living factors affecting an organism and ultimately determining its form and survival is known as environment. The environment of a particular location is made up of all the things and conditions found there. Non-living things and conditions like mountains and valleys, rivers and streams, rocks and soil, sunlight and heat, rain and snow make up the physical part of the environment. Environmental problems of the world. The major environmental problems are pollution, global warming, ozone layer depletion, acid rain, natural resources depletion, overpopulation, waste disposal, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity. Overpopulation is the major problem of the world. Overpopulation refers to a population which exceeds its sustainable size within a particular environment or habitat. Therefore, overpopulation describes a situation in which a population in a given ecosystem limits the resources available for survival. The main causes of the overpopulation in the world are poverty, fertility, treatment, immigration, lack of water, low life expectancy. Pollution is also the major environmental problem of the world. Pollution is something introduced into the environment that is dirty, unclean, or has a harmful effect. Toxic waste dumped into the water is an example of pollution. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and visual pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Air pollution is known to cause irritation in the eyes, lungs, nose, and throat. It creates respiratory problems. When continually exposed to air pollution, humans becomes at high risk for cardiovascular disease. Water pollution is the pollution of bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, seas, the ocean, as well as groundwater. It occurs when pollutants reach these bodies of water without treatment. Waste from homes, factories, and other buildings get into the water bodies, and as a result, water gets contaminated. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals, pollutants, or contaminants in soil in which high enough concentrations to pose a risk to human health. Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution, is the propagation of noise with harmful impact on the activity of human or animal life. High noise level can contribute a cardiovascular effects in humans and an increased incidence of coronary artery disease. We are aware of various types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. All these kinds of pollution can be measured and quantified, but certain forms of pollution affect our aesthetic senses and are very difficult to measure and define. This type of pollution is called aesthetic pollution. Visual pollution is one of them. The effects of visual pollution are increasing tremendously from day to day. To understand what is visual pollution, consider the two examples. Example number one: you are watching a cricket match on the television. The batsman frequently asks the groundsman to move the dark screen here and there till he can bat conveniently. Any movement or reflection of light directly in his view can disturb him. Example number two: At midday, you are riding a motorcycle to your home, hungry for your lunch. While approaching your home, you see an ugly scene of huge mountains of waste on the roadside, including wasted food, used banana leaves, purifying fruits. After seeing that, can you enjoy your lunch at home? So it is clear visual pollution is any unwanted sight that mentally or physically affects the community or creates any health hazard. Dear students, I hope that you have understand the topic. Now please attempt your question. Question is find out about different kinds of pollution and how to control them. Thank you.